Hi there. We're going through an incredible time with this coronavirus. And to be honest, as a travel photography, there's not much to travel at the moment. So that's the reason I took some time to make another YouTube video and to tell you a little bit about my experiences while I'm doing my job. I hope you enjoy it and let's have a look. What we're gonna do, we're gonna stay a little bit in Morocco. The second video was also about Morocco. That was in the Souks Marrakesh. But now we are taking the car early in the morning and we driving in the direction of Merzouga. And Merzouga, it's where the Sahara started. And when you want to go to Merzouga, you leave early in the morning in Marrakesh. As I said, we decided by car, and you have to cross the Atlas Mountains, which is also a very nice experience. But somewhere in the middle of the day, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, depends a little bit on the traffic, you reach to Ouarzazate, and there is this wonderful Kashba. To be honest, I didn't know about this Kashba. I was on my way to Merzouga, and when we had this stop to have some food and have a short rest, all the driving, I think we were driving 4 or 5 hours. I went out of the car and I saw this Kashba, and it was impressive, and it was very famous also because a lot of movies were making it for even Lawrence of Arabia, and you have to find out on the Google and you see what more. And I wasn't planning to do some photography there. I just want to have some food. But when you see the scenery, you can't leave your camera in your camera bag. So I did some shots, and it was actually more to remember. I did my best, and I came back home with my picture, and it was just nice. But this man is never satisfied with just nice. I want to have outstanding photography. So this picture was just it started getting a little bit of pain of the ass, because every time when I see it, I think, whoa, it could have been so much better. So we decided 2 months later to go back to Morocco and we make the same trip. But then we decided not to go there. We go by car, the same as we did the first time. But then we decided to stay overnight. That means that I had the opportunity to take my pictures during sunset. And with this example, you can prove what light is doing. Because when you're leaving Marrakesh at 8 o'clock, you come there in the middle of the day, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, depends a little bit. The sun is right above you. There's no shadow. You have no depth in your picture, and you just do your picture. And this is what I can explain you. Go to Google and Google this Kashba, and all the pictures you see there, you just ask for pictures. All the pictures are just nice pictures. There's nothing outstanding. Everybody was there just passing by and shooting what he saw. And then you come up with a nice picture. End of the day. So we went back. We were there 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, of course. So I had enough time to go there and find my spot. So there was a little bit of water in the front, and that was lucky. So I put my camera there on my tripod, and I just have to be patient. Wait, wait, and wait. When you go to my website and you see the first line, this is telling you don't over-organize, be on time, and leave only when you are totally satisfied. That's my rule. That's my rule. So I was there early. I didn't over-organize. I just organized the car to be there, and I start looking for the best spot. And while I was standing there, I have to be patient till I was totally satisfied about the light. And that happens. on the end of the day. And I think I stood there for more than 4 hours because I don't want to miss the moment. And of course I was a little bit early, but there was nothing else to do. I just came there to shoot this thing again. Okay, and then there was something happening. I'm going to tell you in the next video. There was this 93 years old lady who was approaching us, and I was almost praying, please lady, walk through the scenery. You are fitting perfect in it. But she didn't. And this is what I'm going to tell you in the next video. We stick now and we're going to compare these two pictures. The one what was nice and the one I think for myself, a little bit arrogant maybe, what is outstanding. Me personally, I didn't find a picture what can compete with mine. So is this an arrogant remark? Yes, it is. But that's, when you don't agree, please tell me, give a comment below or whatever. Go to my Facebook or to my Instagram and tell me that I was not right. That's about this. Don't over-organize, be on time, and stay till you're totally satisfied. Thank you for your attention. Bye, next time. So let's have a look at this picture. This one, what you see now, is the first one. This one was shot in the middle of the day, 1 o'clock, somewhere between 12 and 2 o'clock. I don't know, I don't remember exactly. But what you see in one go is there's no shadow, there's no highlight, there's no depth in the picture. It's a nice picture and that's it. And sometimes you remember it as a nice picture because you were there, you were impressed by the scenery, you were there with nice people, you had nice food, you had a wonderful holiday or whatever. And all these things makes you love this picture because it remembers you on this wonderful time in this wonderful Morocco. But it isn't a wonderful picture. It's just a nice one. Listen guys, do we have to discuss this? This is the better one. We have the nice sunset light, we have highlight, we have shadow, we have the depth in the picture. We don't need the remembrance of good food and good friends and a nice holiday to enjoy this photo. This is supported by the mystery of the building and the history. Maybe it's coming a little bit through the photographer's mind. You're thinking, oh, what was happening there in those days when it was just built? It's more than 700 years old. So then we got a subject what is telling you a story, and that makes the difference. I want to thank you for listening and keep on following me. And I say bye-bye again. Till the next time.